congratulations. The film's about to release. How does that feel?
Oof.
Nerve-wracking?
Yeah, it is, but also very excited. It's थोड़ी गुदगुदी हो रही है and बहुत मेहनत गई है. It's been an effort by a big team for over 4 years. So finally ये दिन का हम भी वेट कर रहे थे कि कब ये दर्शकों तक हम लेकर आ पाए और finally जब वो आ रही है तो we can't wait.
Yeah.
This question's for both of you. Periodical dramas, they do really well in terms of like for the audience at the box office. What makes it so appealing, universally for everybody?
I mean, talking more of as an audience, I think it's the fact that there's an opportunity to get transported into a world.
I
that
was
you've not
just
lived in.
thinking about that.
है ना?
I was like, yeah.
So maybe it's that, like वो आपको एक हल्का सा एक change feel होता है. If it's done right, then you do feel कि okay हम रोजमर्रा जिंदगी से एक अलग दुनिया में हम transport किए गए हैं, and that I feel is quite charming about a historical period.
Also, I've studied history in college. I'm a major
Wow.
in
Oh.
history. एंड सांबा जी के बारे में ना हमें इतना पढ़ाया है
छत्रपति
संभाजी एंड देयर इज नॉट मच नोन एंड व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली स्टडीइंग और व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ मूवी लाइक छावा वेयर द कैरेक्टर्स लाइक सो बिग एंड देन देयर इज यसुबाई हुज रियल नेम वाज जीवूबाई इतना रिसर्च करने के लिए होता नहीं है. सो हाउ डू यू बिल्ड अप अ कैरेक्टर लाइक दैट, बोथ ऑफ यू?
See, firstly, it's unfortunate that कि छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज जैसे हस्ती हमारे लिए अनसंग हीरो है. तो वो it's about time that we pull out these unsung heroes और उनको हम celebrated heroes बनाए अभी, especially with the medium of internet, our cinema going global. So everything is set for us to bring forward our true heroes. Historical period drama is always very challenging, not just for the actors, but for the director, for the producer, for everybody on set, whoever's involved in the making of this film. Because उसकी authenticity बड़ी important हो जाती है, उसकी scale important हो जाती है, एक पूरी दुनिया create करनी पड़ती है, कुछ भी available नहीं होता आपके लिए, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको create करनी है from scratch. तो वो detailing, वो precision, वो सब कुछ बड़ा challenging हो जाता है. And as actors, for our characters, एक responsibility होती है, क्योंकि they have existed. और हम 350 साल बाद अगर हम उनकी कहानी लेकर आ रहे हैं तो एक वजह है उसकी कि उनकी ग्लोरी, उनके सैक्रिफाइस को उतनी ही सेंसिटिविटी से, उतनी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से उसे पोर्ट्रे करना, वो जिम्मेदारी इट्स समटाइम्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वो आपको डराता भी है. सो वो सारी चीज़ें इट जस्ट मेक्स इट अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग thing to take on, but I think I can proudly say on behalf of the entire team that we really have put our best foot forward as much as we could.
Also, Vicky, you gave it your all to this character, right? Like कितना कुछ करा, 100 kgs उठाया, years कर लिए, 25 kgs gain कर लिया, everything. How much is too much for an actor to invest in a role when you know that you have an off-screen life as well? There's too much you're giving in for a
मैं
character.
सच बताऊं, जब ऐसी हस्ती पे अगर फिल्म बना रहे हैं और वो मिलती है ना अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप जो भी कर लो वो थोड़ा कम ही लगेगा, क्योंकि ना आप अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट कर सकते हो, पर आई एम श्योर अगर आज बनाने जाए हम छावा तो मैं कुछ और करने की कोशिश करूँगा, कुछ और देने की कोशिश करूँगा, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट इट डिजर्व्स. तो हाँ, जितना एक हमारी तरफ से एक वो दायरा था, और वो जो लक्ष्मण सर ने मुझे कहा था कि मस्कुलरली यू हैव टू लुक लाइक आई कैन मेक द ऑडियंस बिलीव दैट यू कैन फाइट अ लायन. बहुत सारा एक्शन है तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग होगी, रियल एक्शन है, रॉ एक्शन है, तो कुछ भी एक्शन में VFX नहीं हो रहा. उसके अलावा घुड़सवारी है. ही वॉज वेरी क्लियर दैट मैं चीटिंग नहीं करूँगा, कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करूँगा, इट शुड बी यू ओनली. सो उसमें तैयारी में वक्त लगता है, फिर चाहे वो लैंग्वेज हो, सब कुछ हो, तो वो एक ओवरऑल है उसका प्रेप करने का. पर वो मज़ा भी है कि वो अब आज इस फिल्म के ज़रिए मुझे घुड़सवारी आती है, इस फिल्म के ज़रिए तलवारबाजी आती है, इस फिल्म के ज़रिए अब मुझे ये पता है कि हाँ मैं डिसिप्लिन एक लाइफ में ला सकता हूँ अगर आगे कभी ज़रूरत पड़े तो. व्हाट आर द डूज एंड डोंट्स. सो वो एक आपकी अपनी ग्रोथ भी होती है while doing all of that. So it's much more than money and fame that you also get through processes like this.
Also, Vicky, when you've done films like Masan, and there's Zara Hatke Zara Bachke, and then there's a film like Chhawa, Uri, and then where you've maintained balance between this alpha male look, and then there's a character like in Zara Hatke Zara Bachke for that. Is that a conscious choice that you balance this out?
That's good of an actor he is.
Yeah.
No, I
He's
think it's as an actor it is the quest that if I can get to do as varied roles as possible, because I don't know, it excites me. That's what really keeps me away from being complacent as an actor. And I truly feel that with every film, if I can feel more confident as an actor, it'll be great for me to go into the next film, you know, with that confidence. And that can only happen when I take up a challenge which I in the beginning feel कि यार ये होगा मुझसे, ये कैसे होगा. And when you go through a process like that, and when you reach the finish line on that, आपको लगता है हाँ यार, okay, I can challenge myself further, I can take up a little bit different work. And I think today's audience also is expecting the actors, the directors, the filmmakers to take up a challenge themselves first. You know, they should feel that it mattered to them. They also push the boundaries a little bit so that, I mean, we can't expect the audience to push the boundaries कि आप हमें प्यार देते रहिए और हम will be complacent and be coming to you with the same kind of work. So I think that's something that we need to give to the audience also as artists, that okay, we are bringing to you different stories and different characters.
Also, Vicky, from my first interview with you to now, so much has changed. You've attained superstardom, but there's this really nice person still in you. It's amazing to see that nice person still being in you, and you've not lost that. How is that? Since considering that so much has changed around you, and you're still that person.
One thing that hasn't changed till date is that I still get maar from my mom. Until the day that's gonna be there, everything's gonna be the same.
I'm almost done with my interview. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, just to your wonderful audience, we would just like to say 14th of February, our special film, Chhaava, is coming out. Please do come out with your families, your friends, your kids especially. It's a film that will give you very important information, but also will entertain you. We need to keep our heroes alive, and this is our small effort to do that.